Whether it's on a jet ski or a ball field, or in your garden, or on the side of a river with a fishing pole in your hand, water is essential to having fun. Without water, life's many pleasures wouldn't exist, or at least be very pleasurable. Think about golf, soccer, football, and baseball. Without grass, those games wouldn't be possible or safe. And without water, we wouldn't have any grass.
On an average, I water every other day for roughly 20 minutes a night. So it gets 1 inch of water a week, depending on how hot it is. The most important thing of my job is just player safety, making sure that these guys don't get hurt, every time they come out on the field, whether it's, lips or just unevenness of grass, anywhere. These guys can trip, when they're running full speed or just digging cleats into the dirt. They need to be able to stop on a dime.
The water at Don Pedro Lake is, I think, what brings a lot of people to this lake. It's the large acreage that we have spread out being 162 miles. You get a lot of coves, a lot of calm water, and those coves assist with the shallow shorelines.
One of the big attractions that we have is also our swimming lagoon, which is a 2-acre sand bottom, chlorinated and filtered, totally separate swimming facility, so that if an individual maybe doesn't choose to go out on the reservoir or doesn't have the means to go out on the reservoir, they can still enjoy part of the lake lifestyle. We also have the aspect of community here. Since the beginning of mankind, we have been gathering near the water's edge, not only for sustenance, but also for community. And we offer that opportunity here as well.
Some people enjoy playing sports, others splashing in the water. But Modesto has a long-standing tradition of finding fun by digging for it, creating beautiful, bountiful gardens.
Modesto Garden Club is the biggest club in the nation, over 500 members. Any student can be very successful in the garden. They like to learn where their food comes from, and hopefully we can decrease childhood obesity because so many of our kids are from the kind of fast food nation, eating a lot of hamburgers and greasy foods and not healthy foods. So they get to plant their food, they get to tend it, get to harvest it, and then they get to eat it in front of the other kids. I've never had a broccoli. I've never had a Brussels sprout. It's a great adventure for them.
Water is connected to every human pursuit, from a healthy home life to eating garden-fresh food to recreation. That's why we need to learn to conserve it and share it, because without it, life wouldn't be much fun.